So I'm already recording. This is our pie
1, 2, 3,
fight.
everybody?
No,
Like,
you actually have to do. Yeah,
Oh,
Amy, you gotta do
No,
Kenny.
who am I hitting?
It's Kenny. You want to do
Okay, you go
first?
first.
Hey, you have to go first.
Are you-
Who am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
I was not ready for that.
Kenny.
No.
I want to do somebody.
He didn't do it.
No, can
It's
I do
Kenny's
some-
birthday.
Kenny,
Go,
you-
go.
No,
Kenny.
can I do somebody?
You gotta do
Go,
Kenny.
go.
No, don't hit it hard on me.
I won't.
Put your hands down.
I can't even see.
Kenny.
No, no. Wait. I need a towel because I can't open my eyes. You weren't ready for it, were you? You have to get it. No, Jack.
Come on, ask me over here. Kenny.
It's in my nose. I really like a towel.
Jet! Wait, let me see you. Don't even know.
Oh, what was that? What was that? I'm blind. You can't hit me with anything.
Kenny, get over here. Get next to Amy.
Come
I can't see, guys. So
Get close.
come here.
Come here. Get close.
Can you take a picture? Wait, let me just.
Please don't get stuff on my phone. I really
Mom,
need a towel.
nose!
Mom, go to the camera.